Jobert Sucaldito, a veteran Filipino columnist, broadcaster, and talent manager, has died at the age of 65. Known for his work on DZMM's Showbuzz and his candid entertainment commentary, Sucaldito spent decades covering Philippine showbiz. Born on April 16, 1961, Jobert Sucaldito spent decades covering the Philippine entertainment industry as a columnist and broadcaster. He became a familiar voice to Filipino audiences through his work as a radio anchor and as a co-host of DZMM's entertainment program Showbuzz. He also contributed columns to various publications throughout his career. His work made him one of the recognizable figures in Philippine showbiz reporting, where he covered celebrity news, industry developments, and entertainment issues. His involvement in entertainment extended beyond reporting, allowing him to work closely with artists and industry personalities. Apart from journalism, Sucaldito also worked as a talent manager and became involved in the film industry. He appeared in the credits of several films, including Manila Kingpin, The Asiang Salonga Story, Pear, Mahal Mo Rocco, and Silab. Sucaldito was known for his direct opinions on entertainment issues. His outspoken views often became topics of public discussion and sometimes resulted in controversies involving celebrities and other personalities. Over the years, he developed a reputation as a commentator who openly discussed developments within the Philippine entertainment industry. In the weeks before his death, filmmaker Chaps Manansala revealed that Sucaldito had been confined at Providence Hospital in Quezon City due to severe and persistent anxiety. Friends and colleagues had appealed for prayers for his recovery during that period. His death has prompted tributes from members of the Philippine entertainment community who remembered his decades-long contribution to broadcasting and showbiz journalism. The Philippine entertainment industry is mourning the death of veteran columnist, broadcaster, and talent manager Jobert Sucaldito, who passed away on Sunday, August 2nd, 2026 at the age of 65. The announcement shared by the program's page said Sucaldito peacefully passed away, while thanking viewers and supporters for their continued love, support, and prayers. The statement also requested prayers for his family during their time of grief. The message added that Sucaldito's memories, kindness, and stories would continue to live on among those he influenced. As of Sunday, no cause of death or funeral arrangements had been announced. more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.